Today we are making light and fluffy Sultana scones from scratch. Let's get started. Start with 250 grams of self-raising flour. Next, add 60 grams of cold butter cut into cubes. Use your fingers, rub the butter into the flour until the mixture looks like fine breadcrumbs. Now add the sultanas. 5 grams of baking powder, 3 grams of salt, 25 grams of sugar, 125 milliliters of milk. Four grams of vanilla paste. Mix together until your dough forms. Pat it down to about 2 to 3 centimeters thick. Using a round cutter, press straight down without twisting. This helps the scone rise evenly. Place them onto a baking tray lined with parchment. Once you cut out as many as you can, gently press the dough back together. Pat it out again and cut more scones until the dough is used up. For the very last scrap, simply press it into the cutter with your fingers to shape it. This way, nothing goes to waste. Brush the top slightly with milk for a golden finish. Bake in a preheated oven at 220 Celsius for about 12 minutes or until the scones are risen and golden brown. Serve them warm, split open with butter, jam or cream. And if you like something truly special to pair with your scones, check out my homemade lemon curd recipe. Enjoy!